Good Wednesday morning. Thanks for checking out this Iowa forecast update here. We're looking at temperatures across the state, generally in the 40s, dealing with actually a couple upper 30s here in a few different localized spots. But otherwise, as we look at our severe weather risk for today, we're going to continue to use the Storm Prediction Center's outlook here because it seems like central southern Iowa, there's a chance for a few stronger storms here later on this evening. So as we kind of put the forecast radar into motion here as we go through the rest of the day, chance I would say for maybe a few scattered showers or a sprinkle here across northwest, western Iowa as you get towards about 4 or 5 p.m. and probably through about 8, 9 p.m. So just a chance for a sprinkle or a shower. The chance is going to be maybe 30 to 40 at max. It's really not going to be a big chance of precipitation here, but nonetheless, I think it could sprinkle here as this wave does pull on through. Then as you get to about 10, 11 o'clock tonight, you'll notice here a wave of scattered showers. Storms are starting to develop here across central to southern Iowa. This is by about 1 o'clock tomorrow morning here. You can see storms lining up from central and into southeast Nebraska through central Iowa here. And as we get into about 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. here, then as you get through about 5, 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, you notice just scattered showery activity pulling on through here. And then as we get to about noon tomorrow, that's when we'll start to see storms redevelop here by tomorrow afternoon farther to the south. So as we look at our total precipitation with that round, looking at generally a quarter to a half inch of precipitation from southwest Iowa through central and into eastern Iowa here, basically where those storms do bubble up here overnight tonight. That's where the best bet is at for up to a half inch, maybe even locally higher in a few different spots. And as we get into Thursday, we're going to watch for that next chance of precipitation, which is going to come in right around Thursday afternoon. Something to note here is some of the data does not bring the severe weather risk into southeastern Iowa. So as we go through about 5, 6 p.m. here, the NAM computer model showing severe weather risk here developing around, I would say, somewhere between 5, 6 p.m. and through probably midnight Thursday. So this is going to be one of those situations that we really need to fine tune is there actually a severe weather risk where I just circled there. So we'll need to continue to watch that. But right now, the data wants to hone in on a severe weather risk here across southeastern Iowa. So we'll keep an eye on that. The National Severe Storms Laboratory model is not showing that, and that's kind of why I don't feel too confident with a lot of severe weather across southeastern Iowa tomorrow, but we'll keep an eye on that. But we look at high temperatures today, generally in the 50s. We go into later on tonight, we'll get down there into generally the 50s across the state. So really not going to change much here in terms of temperatures. 60s off in southern Iowa. So definitely won't be cooling down here later on tonight. And then also we might be dealing with a little bit of fog here as we get into later tonight. This is about 9, 10 p.m. here, possibly some patchy dense fog risk here across western Iowa. And then as we get into right around 1, 2 o'clock tomorrow morning here, possibly again, the chance for maybe some locally dense fog in a couple different locations. And as you get through about 5, 6 a.m., I think things are really starting to dissipate. So we are going to have those rounds of showers and thunderstorms. So it's going to be interesting to see if that fog can actually develop per what the model is showing, just because there's going to be some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. Now, as we get into the weekend, Friday's going to be dry. We're going to watch for that next chance of showers and thunderstorms coming in about Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. Going to be definitely a soaker here. And then as we get into Sunday morning here, that will pull out of here. Total precipitation with that round, looking at generally a quarter to a half across northwest Iowa, possibly a half inch plus here from central to eastern Iowa, something we will be keeping a close eye on as we get closer. And as we look at our high temperatures on Thursday, generally in the 70s across the state, so definitely warming up there. 70s on Friday, 70s through much of the weekend. And then as we get into Monday here, we're going to start bringing in upper 70s, possibly even some lower 80s into the picture, bringing in the 80s by about Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. So get ready. The warm-up is coming. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.